She does not want to walk away. She doesn't want to lose you. Even for herself, she's only going forward because she can't control it. It is even boggling her mind, trying to crack it. Either crack you or crack the code of what would make y'all work. Even if it's, maybe I would hope, in all earnesty, that she's looking for what would make it make sense for her. But the fact that even in pretending to be friends, showing this withdrawal of love, of intent, you're gonna know what you're not getting about. Oh no, you don't get access to this no more, even if it's just feminine, not even about the sex. She can't even let go. She can't even play her role, because friends don't bring that shit up. Nah, because we let it as friends. Let's squash it, be cool, and this is what we're doing now. But you're stepping into a realm of something that's still incomplete for you, like that bucking bronco that won't let her relax. Every single one of those instances, you were jumping through the hoop, not her. And it still doesn't settle what's unsettled there. She has to actually know, look, if you're not gonna follow my lead, this isn't gonna work. Like, straight talk. Exactly what we're talking about, the stuff of how your life works, you're willing to welcome her into, and she is sabotaging and disqualifying herself. And if she can't be with this, that's her own thing. But she needs that brutal honesty, because for her to grow and step up and truly merge into your bubble, she can't fathom, right? As long as you're jumping through her hoops. And it's not that she intentionally has this. She thinks that those hoops will provide containment, but she's not a lead. So she's creating bubbles that don't mean shit. She needs a masculine lead and a bubble to be established. And it has to be strong enough for her, if she's worth that in your life, to be settled and welcome into. That's how she's operated her life. Small bubble, fully in control of everything. Her bubble that's controlled, that's her safe space. She chooses to walk and follow your lead and has to let go of that control. Y'all aren't at that bridge yet. Right now, it's at such an imbalanced early space. It's not 50-50, it's more over where she needs to be met. And instead of pulling her through hoops, and she's gonna need to get all the way at least 50-50 to see this is Lewis's realm, world bubble to step into. Will you follow into that lead? You gotta offer it to her straight. She's gotta choose to follow. So y'all can at least build and get to a point of honest 50-50. This isn't even the start of a relationship.